PAVIC's Family Nature and Adventure Camp welcomes any family with a child with visual impairment to engage in this unique journey with them. The activities at camp allows the whole family and their friends to interact with nature in a real and meaningful way. Parents of children with disabilities came out of this experience sharing about how rich this experience has been for them and how happy and proud they are of their child.
Dito of course, sa mga bahay namin, hindi naman nila nagagawa yun. That's why, when it was proposed, talagang sabi ko, sasama kami. Because gusto ko din talagang ma-experience nila yung outdoor na activities. I'm so proud of him na kahit sobrang reklamo niya, pero natapos niya yung mga activities. He was able to crawl in the mud na hindi niya ginawa kahit kailan. Yung mga ginawa ng mga anak namin, it was beyond our expectations. So we're so happy na we were able to experience those.
Na-discover ko po na masaya palang lumabas, lalo na kapag sa leisure. Masaya rin po pala yung sumakay sa bangka. Ganun po pala yung experience ko paano sumakay sa bangka.
So one of the compensation, I guess, is yung deep in the pool kasi yun talagang love na love niyang mag-swim. So masaya siya doon.